Asia. Oh shit, market's open. And there's my midnight level. Damn, we're moving. Wow. See how that candle was?
Yeah,
That shit was scary.
they need a straight dump.
Nah, we got little liquidity right here.
Order submitted. Order filled.
There's one liquidity. Two liquidities. See what we do. We got a bunch of fair value gaps that we're currently, yeah. So creating SMT yet? No. Look at that bounce. Right off liquidity sweep. 15-minute.
Order
Jesus.
submitted.
Also,
Order
remember,
filled.
government shut down today, so we could have confusing PA.
Yeah.
Order submitted.
Damn, where's everybody at?
That boy Lou.
You research today?
He might be in the background right now.
Creeper. Straight to London High. Actually, why does my shit look like that? That is not London High. London High is here. Oh, that marked up. All right. All right, couple fair value gaps up here around the 830 area, which we're probably gonna get to. We're gonna try it.
Order submitted.
You think we're going
Order
for Asia
filled.
high?
I don't know where we're going. All I know is it just edges might take profit. Shit's fucking annoying sometimes. All right, we're probably gonna let's see, we'll push up, pull
Order
back,
submitted.
and if we keep pushing, we take out 847. I mean, we have a lot of chop, which I don't like. All this shit from the overnight from yesterday is just a bunch of chop. Essentially, 870 is the level.
Order filled. Order filled.
Quick little monies right there.
Order
We
filled.
almost got. We basically got Asia high. Basically, we like a point away.
Hmm. Yeah.
Yes, sir. What a move.
Hey,
Order
Watch this
submitted.
previous close resistance right here. This potential resistance. We'll see what they do at this level.
we're sitting at Asia high too.
Mhm. Nice little rejection here. We'll see if they push down.
Order filled.
Yeah. Wow. Rejection I thought it would be, but I didn't think it would be like that.
Order
Okay.
filled.
Nice.
Yeah.
Order filled.
Yeah, it was like a little 25 pointer. Not bad. They just can't break the previous close. Struggling. We'll see what they do. Yeah. Yeah. If we get a displacement like with crazy volume, like if we get a nice push past that previous close, I can see us getting into previous high. But as that closing price was a pretty big resistance. So 838s. Mm.
We also got a bunch of stacked up fair value gaps up here. We just rejected we didn't quite reject the top one, but there was one little one at 836 on the 15-minute that I wanted to see if we tapped.
That previous close was a spot.
What was previous close over?
838s. We just dropped 838s down to 808. So that was like that was a nice little 30 pointer. If anyone could have caught that.
That's your 4 o'clock close or 5
No,
o'clock?
5 o'clock. Futures market close, not stock.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Yep.
You
So
drawed on the 455 candle? Yeah.
Yeah. So that was
I'm gonna start drawing that.
Yeah, that's a very big spot. Like right now, I mean,
Order submitted.
hey Serge. Oh, you in it. Okay. Oh, but you got in a little late. It's all good though. It's all good. Hey Serge, be mindful of the 800 price.
Oh, that's right.
My mind, I'm straight scout mode. So if
Yeah, we
just
did
be
just
mindful of that.
liquidity, so we could push up here unless we reject this fair value gap.
Because that was basically 40-point drop off that spot.
Oh,
So
damn.
just remember, yeah. I was saying your entry was a little late based on the closing. If you were taking a closing price rejection entry, it was a little late, but nevertheless, all good. You got your stop in place and you chilling. That's all that matters.
We also got a little 1-hour trend line if you trade trend lines.
Order canceled.
That order should cancel. Okay. I had an entry for us. That would have been it. That would have been it right there. Okay. Yeah, I was like ripping and rolling around this morning. I couldn't even get everything on board. But that's okay.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Yeah, that level is different. Serge, expand your chart out just so you can see. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, 840s they're not playing. They're not playing up there. Nope.
Yeah, I'm short at 822.
Nope.
See
Yeah.
if we can come down a little more.
Just mind this 800 level, y'all.
Yeah, I know. We just bounced it
They
again.
dancing. They dancing. 840s to 800s. They dancing.
Order submitted.
See if we can go tap this massive 1 minute order block or 1 minute fair value gap. At 795.25, but I got max take profit for the day at 796. We can tap that. I'm done with 2 contracts.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's not gonna give it to me. I just got edged. Let's see if we can get this fall. There we go. Done for the day. God damn it.
There you go, Serge.
That's a nice drop, sir. Remember, we just
There you
tapped
go.
that 1 minute big fair value gap, so we may get a pop.
Mm-hmm.
I need 887.
Yes, sir.
Order filled. Order filled.
Damn.
Yeah, they dump. There they
I might
go.
have lagged a few seconds. All right, we got midnight level at 772. If you're gonna
Order
trim,
submitted.
Surge.
Serge, move that one of them targets down.
Order filled.
Let it
Let's
go.
go.
He didn't get a
Let
chance.
it go.
All right.
All
There
right,
you go.
we're gonna listen. We're gonna dump 745. They're gonna take out this 15-minute order, this 15-minute candle.
Serge, I don't know why. Serge, what was your thesis for that trade?
Go
So
short and hold.
we tapped into the Asia high, and I was eyeing this right here, like a little break. Originally, I was gonna set a sell order right here, but I'm like, man, I don't want to be liquidity, tap in and come back up. It then came back up. It almost took me out, but I managed to get it. Originally, I was gonna put it right here.
745, Surge. There's your 745. I just told you.
Nice.
You're gonna trim. What's your? You're not trimming anything.
He's out.
What you mean?
Oh, he's done. That's all. Like I said, I'm trading on the. Damn, that's a big ass candle.
Yeah, I almost
There they
got the
come.
bottom on that. That was tight.
I'm up. This is
There
the
you
last
go.
eval. That's why I was heavy with 2 contracts.
Yeah, this is
899.86 for the day. So I got $300 more before I pass this last one. I got an extra because Blue Sky went to daily payouts on the fundeds. They went to 3 instead of 2 max accounts. Oh, we're about to dump. We're gonna keep going.
That's what I'm not sure what
714.
level you saw, but I'm thinking we probably be heading to the lower day. To be
So
honest, that was crazy.
Mine was a fair. Well, my first one was the engulfing of this first 15-minute candle. We took that bottom out. We probably triggered some stop losses. That's why we kind of dumped real quick. I know.
This is
And then we might dump and take out the rest of this liquidity at like 715, but we're gonna retrace here a little bit. That's a
38.2.
get back to 800.
That was a nice little drop. It
That was a
actually
beautiful drop.
Yeah.
it slipped me, but it slipped me into profit.
Yeah, when we pop back up.
38.2 was nasty.
When we kind of popped back up and retested that same level that you called, but that previous day close, which was also one of my fair value gaps.
Mm-hmm.
When that what is this, the 945 candle on the 1 minute pushed down and closed under 816, I was like, oh yeah, I'm for it. I went short. I added another short contract because I was already short at 835. It was it whatever this level was. I was already short there. I just added and let it fucking dump. Let's see. We rejected Asia low just now. Let's see if we can keep pushing down. Goddamn, boys, we rich. Oh, you did your payout?
What was that now?
Did you do your payout?
Yeah, yesterday.
Oh shit.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What's the time frame on those?
5 minute.
Oh, what? They paid you instantly?
Oh no. I thought you were talking about the time for my chart. I'm like,
No. What's their payout period? Like time frame?
it says that it should be looked at next Wednesday.
By next Wednesday?
Yeah, they do it every Wednesday.
Holy shit. Who's that?
That's Buonox.
Buonox? Yeah, I ain't never going to Buonox.
Nah, I mean, I wouldn't even say that.
Week?
It's more like this. That should just be one in your arsenal.
True.
It.
You kind of let that one just sit on the side, I guess.
Yeah.
I mean, for me, even when I start taking my payouts, like when I start taking the payouts off all the accounts, when I take a payout, I'll probably just take the next week off.
That's what I'm saying. So like I basically for me, if I'm an account, if I have an account that's under review or waiting for the payout to hit or whatever, I'm just buttoning it off on Replicano. I'm not even caring about it.
Yeah, so I'm done. I ain't trained till I
I'm
get
not even looking at it. Payout and hit threshold, okay, button off Replicanto. And then once the money comes in, then I'm good. So that's how it, but I do understand when people say I get it though. I get it. So that's what it is. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I feel I'm the same way. Once all my payouts, like I send all my payouts out, bro, I'm done. Whether it's on a Monday, Tuesday,
Order
if it's on a
submitted.
Friday, bro, I'm not trading the whole next week. Like I'm not touching these accounts until all payouts are approved.
Yeah.
If something gets denied, like say one or two of the firms deny me, I'll just trade those to get those payouts.
Ain't no point in unpaying yourself.
Yeah. Well,
there's no reason to unpay. I've seen so many people unpay themselves. It's not even funny, bro.
Bro, I know somebody who requested a fat payout and then proceeded to keep trading
and blow their accounts, huh?
I was like, yo, are you stupid?
That's what people do.
Bro, I hope to never ever be like you. Like I was like, yo, I just watched you unpay yourself. So his payout got denied.
Yep.
And he blew his account.
Yep.
Because he wasn't paying attention and thought it came out instantly.
That's all you hear from them.
Go drink some Clorox. Take some Tylenol. Damn, bro, we had a 25-minute workday, boys.
Yep.
Order canceled.
Oh, it's so nice. All right, we're gonna bounce off a midnight open here. We're gonna hold this. What are we gonna do? So we're under London high, above Asia low, and we are tap. We just bounced off a midnight open on this candle on the 1 minute. We're trapped in between this little zone here. Could be a nasty head and shoulders pattern setting up too. Nah, we're about to fucking fall, bro. We're about to fall. We about to fall. 5 minute fair value gap, which is exactly lines up with London high. Oh yeah, we about to. BRB.
Mm-hmm. 38-2 bounce. Them
Ooh.
boys not playing. Them boys not playing. Them boys not playing. Them boys not playing.
Order submitted.
Bro, it didn't even go a point below.
Nope. Them boys not playing. Them boys not playing. Mm-hmm. Yep. No, you know, you don't need nothing else. Golden ratios, closing prices, levels.
Now we back at the little
Damn, I
hop.
just embarrassed myself.
What happened?
I was like, yo, we're
Order
about to
filled.
reject this 5-minute fair value gap. It fucking I walked away for 1 minute, literally.
We're at the high.
Fuck you, Mr. Garrison. That was disrespectful. I just embarrassed myself.
Get that corn out of my face.
Yeah. Said, sit your ass down, boy. You couldn't have had a bigger candle. But I expect moves like this. I learned when we have these big old dumbass candles, and then we come back through them with all these gaps. We're gonna fly back through them.
Bro, it's crazy. We survived March and May. That was insane.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we're about to form a dinosaur pattern.
The
Remember
bar
the
said
1 minute? I call this a dinosaur pattern because we just formed the body. You see that big old curl? That's the body. We just formed the front legs as our low at 950. Now we're gonna start pushing up and slowly create the big ass neck of the brontosaurus. Watch. I call this a dinosaur pattern. I've seen this shit so many times. Or we're just gonna die off and I'm gonna look stupid again.
No, Ricky.
Ricky, no, we can still hold it. We can still hold it. Still hold it. Yeah, going to the demo account. So I have nothing to do with my boring ass life. Paper trade, 10 long. Made $200,000 on my paper account this year.
Let's go.
Just testing all my strategies and shit. No, Ricky, don't do this to me, Ricky. I need a dinosaur pattern. I need to be right. I need to be right. All right, big ass candle here with the wick. And perform and then create the dinosaur neck. Lou, what's the algo doing?
Already a daily goal. That shit is
Damn, my
we
shit
up
just
out of
lag.
there.
Did y'all shit lag? Is there news?
Yeah, jolts in consumer sentiment.
We're about to whiplash in both directions and kill everybody's
Mm-hmm.
accounts. We're about to pop up, pop down. I thought that was on hold until market opens back up because of the shutdown. Hold on. Wait a minute, pimpin'.
Yeah, I think they might already have those numbers, but I know that that's it's in question for NFP. So not
Yeah,
sure.
so
We'll
right
see what
now,
happens.
so on Twitter it said
But yeah, I'm about to check
on
this website right now and see what's going on.
Yeah, on Twitter it said the key reports suspended were jobless claims, non-farm payroll, consumer price index, retail sales and factory orders, employment trends index, and then reports that are still publishing was ADP jobs report,
Yeah,
mortgage
ADP came out
applications.
today. My fault. That was ISM manufacturing.
I don't even see that on here. Federal Reserve and
So
Industrial Production,
that was
FOMC minutes.
ISM.
I didn't even see
Yeah.
ISM.
So PMI. That's it's on a.
Yeah, I
I
see
got
it.
you, bro. It's
I'm
on
there.
Discord.
Yes.
So we got PMI manufacturing final came out at 9:45, and then at 10 o'clock was the ISM manufacturing index.
All right.
So
Hold this paper.
yes, sir.
Damn, Sergio, you done for the day? Or you're looking for more trade?
I think I'm done for the day, to be honest.
He's like, I made 4 bands. I'm done.
Good shit, bro.
It's gonna be a normal dog. But like, fuck, I had a slow day. I made
It was
$1,000.
a nice short, bro.
That was a
Easy
beautiful
money.
short.
Easy money.
I hate that I can only make so much money.
Hey, the remedy for that, live account.
Oh yeah, facts.
Live. I tell
That's what I plan on
whenever.
doing with the Apexes. All the Apex money I take out, all the withdrawals, every
Yeah.
withdrawal is just gonna go into a bank account, and I'm gonna end up taking all that cash and just go straight. I'm not gonna do futures though. I'm gonna probably put it into something like Trade Locker or something, and trade the forex side of it
That's
because
when
of,
I
because
Oh,
of just
you.
margin and shit.
Oh, you like that? You like that slippage?
Yeah, I mean, I'm already trading Project Slip X, so I mean, hell, I haven't been on one platform yet that doesn't give me slip. Fucking
No.
TradeView is slip.
They're all gonna give slip, but I think
Yeah,
obviously we know with the brokers with forex and the CFDs, they control the spread.
yeah. It's usually the trade lock is usually not too bad. I mean, I wouldn't be trading news, but I'm gonna send you this one. I'm gonna see if I can find it again. I seen a post this morning on Instagram. This guy held his forex positions in gold for like 4 years. He's been holding since the 1600s.
Yeah, that's got to be over 20 years ago then, huh?
No, that was this. He's a kid, man.
Over 16.
Yeah,
Sorry,
from 16,000.
1600.
It was like 1685 or something like that. Oh
Oh,
yeah, I'm in this to win this, boy. Look, there's my dinosaur. There's his front legs. You see his 2 front legs, Sergio? At 9:59 and 10 o'clock. Those are his 2 little front legs. Now we're gonna build the neck. We're going to 877.
hey, I have seen people do like mini lots and they'll get locked in like in a very low price and let them run for a couple months.
Yeah, bro. Like you just buy small, like a 0.01, 0.02s, and you just let them shits ride. The best thing is it doesn't average in, which I'm okay with. That's why I kind of like the forex side of it, but that's only with trading the lives. Just because of margin, bro. Like I just think the margin is too much.
There used to be this dude, bro. This is when I first, learned about trading and whatnot. And there was this guy on YouTube, bro, and he holds small positions, but he let him ride for months.
Yeah, you talking about the guy that goes the bald guy that's always got like a nasal problem?
I don't know if it's him, but I know he was an older guy for sure. He was an
Yeah, he's
older guy.
weird, kind of weird.
Yeah. And then
Yeah,
he
so
had
he buys, so he'll look for like, say he wants to go short, he'll let it pump, and then he'll start taking micro positions. And every time it reaches a new level, he'll add another one, and then he'll add another short, and he'll let them shits ride for months.
and then he'll have like 5, 6 bands,
He said eventually it'll go green.
yeah,
Like,
and there's like 6 orders or some shit.
yep.
Yeah,
But he's trading like on the daily time frame and 4 hour time frames, and yeah, I know who you're talking about. He always he's a weird breathing problem.
yeah. That's like one of the first like channels or whatever that was exposed to that
It's not a bad strat.
nah.
You just gotta have a large account and time.
But
Like you have to have a large account and trading. You're trading like 0.05s max. You
bro,
know, you're not trading 10 lots and
yeah.
holding that shit for months.
Who was it? Someone in the group. They do what's it called? Swing trading.
Yeah, I got a guy at work who's been trading. He's in the Tesla contracts and the Nvidia contracts for a minute, and he has been killing it, dude. I know he might have closed his Teslas today because he wanted to target 450. Nvidia had a nice run the last yesterday. Nvidia was crazy yesterday.
Hey, Mike. Yo, Mike.
Oh yeah, my fault, y'all. Jolts was yesterday. I'm tripping. Yeah, Jolts was yesterday. Um, yeah, that's what it was. But yeah, I'm tripping. I'm tripping.
Yo, Luke,
Yo.
Yes,
what
sir.
what side of Boston you live on?
What side of Boston?
Yeah, like
I'm in the north end.
all right.
Like I'm near TD Garden. Wow, what's good?
You're not too far from the airport.
Nah, nope.
Not too
I'm
far.
like I'm like mm, mm, less
Like
than 10 minutes.
really? That'd be like 20.
Yeah. You said you're 20 from your airport?
Oh, me? If I'm doing 80, I'm about 12 minutes from my house to into the airport.
Oh well, if driving, it's like driving. I'm like 5 minutes. Like literally,
Oh,
because it out the out the window, I'm literally looking
okay.
right now. Out my
Oh, you're
window, there's
you're
a
on the bay.
tunnel.
You're on the bay.
Yeah, from my window, I see the tunnel to go to the airport.
Oh shit,
Oh,
that's good.
hey.
Like I literally see the tunnel, looking at it
Sergio
right now.
Sergio looks out his window. He just sees cows. Sir,
Oh
we gonna
shit!
get you, sir. We gonna get you out of there, bro.
Damn.
We gonna get you out. We at least get you to North Carolina, bro.
Yeah.
There's crackheads.
Listen,
You got
sir.
everything ready.
I have been to your town. I know what it's like over there. I have not been back to see my sister since that shit happened. Since I've been there. Since her wedding, bro. I am not going back there.
Damn.
That
Hey
shit is
yo,
small.
when we gonna link up?
Whenever you come to the East Coast, bro.
I mean, for real, we need to do that in the following years.
Look, out the money getaway. We definitely need to have a link up though. Somewhere that is cheaper.
Cheaper?
Yeah, so not down here.
Well,
Disney. Let's do Disney.
Disney.
Out the money Disney. Out the mud Disney's.
Hey, Universal turn.
Nah, yeah. Universal and Islands of Adventure are pretty dope. Better than them tractor hay rides you guys got over there.
Yeah, boy.
You do got some serenity though. You got some peace and serenity, I'll tell you that.
Well, Wichita's right
It's
right
not that
next right next to me, so there's everything in there.
bad. Bro, if I was you, I'd be in Oklahoma gambling all the time.
They got casino. They got a casino from like 15 minutes from me, 20 minutes.
But it's not in Kansas though, right? You have to go to Oklahoma.
No, it's in Kansas.
Oh, they started allowing it?
Yeah,
Nice. I'm about
yeah,
to
but I've
build a
been to
barn
the
dominium out there.
I've been to the ones in Oklahoma as well.
Out the mud Vegas? What?
What, a Hangover Part One?
You fucking broke. Everybody blows their money, their payouts.
God damn.
Everybody takes payouts and fucking blows it.
Yeah, but I'm not a good gambler.
Sir, you're a trader. What's the difference? You manage risks. So if you have small bets over there, it's a 50-50 chance.
They don't have a 61.8 out there. Yo, Lou, you in the building? Well, let's
Yes, sir. I was playing with the dog.
man. Some mic that they don't got a 61.8 in the casino.
They're gonna do what?
They don't have a 61.8 in the casino.
Oh shit. Yeah, yeah, they
You gonna
probably
play? You
do.
gonna play roulette? Playing roulette? Can I get? Let me get the red 61.8.
Let me get that. Yeah, they probably do. Oh, come here. Hey, stop it. Oh my god, you're shedding crazy. Damn.
What's crazy is even on we're technically in a chop. We're in a range, but we're having 100 point moves, 110 point moves,
Yeah,
straight up, straight down.
insane now. Hold on, I gotta back in.
But you know, look, we're creating the dinosaur. What I tell you, Serge,
New highs for the day. We are fixing the
we gonna create the dinosaur body now. We're going to Asia High. There's no way we don't reclaim that shit. I mean, there it's always possible, but BRB.
All right.
back to the spot they rejected from earlier.
Yeah.
But yeah, bro, you see how that closing price, like out of, you see how that closing price did its thing?
Yeah.
So that's why it's good to know your levels. These are key levels in terms of like order flow mentality. That's a price where that right there is a price where folks had positions, right? So
Yeah.
if the market went against them, so there are people that they put orders in, they get their positions filled right at the close of the session, and then they're holding it. So then the market basically might have went against them, might have went for them, and now there are people that are like, oh shit, I can be back break even now. So what do? They get out their positions, they selling because the market was going against them crazy. So now it came back to they came back to their break even, so they sold, and
And then
that's where that flush happened.
and proceed to move its way.
Yep, they got up out of there. Oh, she can't break even. Out.
Who was it? Or I think it was you that said this, or somebody said this, that the market for every trader and every like time frame, they have some sort of like liquidity, like, you know what I mean?
Nah, explain.
So like you know how there's like people like even people that are doing options and stuff like that, or traders that are like swing traders, or so somebody that's swing trading, even like even the market would even has a spot for them, like they even the market even goes for their liquidity, taps them out, and does what it does. You see what I'm saying? Like in different levels and different how do I say it? You kind of see what I'm saying or not?
I think I know what you're trying to say, but
Mm-hmm.
I mean, basically, I think the market is just there. It's just a it's a never ending it's a never ending um it's a never ending marketplace where people are just buying and selling, and they're really just going to levels with the highest amounts of liquidity, right? And then I mean, that's really what it is. And if you think about it, the futures market in a practical sense, basically there are people that are just betting on future prices and whatnot. That they're just people just putting on bets.
Yeah.
And and so day traders, although some of us are in real capital, some of us in prop, we're just providing liquidity to these people that are just they're looking to get positions filled. So basically everyone is just liquidity for everybody, to be
Yeah.
honest. It's a zero sum game. And hold on a second. One sec. Hold on. Yeah, it's a zero sum game. Huh.
Yeah.
Yeah, zero sum game, and someone wins, someone loses every time. So um that the way I see it is, yeah, the market is just constantly going for liquidity and taking out people's they taking out people's orders and whatnot. But in terms of like, it's also it's a psychology wheel, because like a lot of people aren't even in real capital and they think, oh, I have an impact on the market. Like, no, you don't, bro. And people like, oh, I'm liquidity. No, you might not be. It's just your psychology, because like at the end of the day, the market's gonna do what it does, and if you can't be liquidity if you're like, I know people joke about it, but as long as people know, like you can't actually be liquidity if you are in a prop account. What people should say is, damn, I took a bad entry or something like that, or not even a bad entry. Oh damn, I got stopped out. That's fine. The market is my position is just not true right now. I need to chill, and that's cool. and that's all. That's all that be. So yeah, that's how I see it. That's how I see it, bro. Let me drink this water. I didn't even get to do it. Shut. Yeah, this dog is like she is. She definitely is. Takes a lot of time. I was like walking her this morning. I had to
Mm-hmm.
try to come back quicker. It's kind of my fault. I woke up a little late, but
Yeah.
as soon as she's like not, you know, when she needs to go, and then you gotta take, it's just,
Yeah. I
but
woke up like
it's all
two.
good. Yeah.
New high. Daily high.
Yep. Market just made a new high. That's right. Okay. All right. So, all right. Let's make sure we're doing all discipline trades today. Uh, what's going on here? Hmm. Okay. All right.
Hold it. Asia high, baby.
Where is the shit?
Look, go to the 1 minute if you're not in a trade, Serge. Dinosaur. Tell me that doesn't look like a brontosaurus.
Yeah, it does.
From open, the
Order
push and
submitted.
open, the pullback creates the legs, and then you create that long ass neck. And now eventually you're gonna start curling and create the head. I've seen it so many times. The dinosaur pattern. That's how you know you got too much trading time. You start seeing dinosaurs.
Like the Bart Simpson.
Yeah. And I'm off of work today, which is beautiful. Oh, all right. We also tapped our trend line that I was telling you about earlier. The all-time high, the boom, boom, boom. Zoom out just a little bit.
Give me.
Go out. See the trend line? That all-time high on Friday or Monday. What was this? The 29th. Monday, right? Yeah, Monday high, Tuesday high. Nice little trend line there.
Hey, morning, fam. And we're not that far from those all-time highs, too. Hey, is that you, D'Angelo?
All right, boys, I'm out. Go clean the car and do some shit.
Guess I might call it a day as well.
I'm off today, so we get some shit done.
Hell yeah.
All right, boys.
All right, family. You have a good day.
Oh, sure.
All right, Lou. I might call it a day as well.